Hi, in this video I will show you how to send live snap without uploading media. So this is a secret trick of Snapchat so you can send a live snap without uploading any picture or video that you have. For example, let's head over right here into our conversation with this person. From in there, just head over and click onto this camera icon instead of upload icon for your gallery. Click onto this camera. And then from in there, just snap in here a snap and then send it to a person. So as you can see, it's been delivered. Other option that you can do is you can just click onto this camera icon and then just snap in your snap again and then click onto the send to and then make sure to select that person from in there. So in that way, it will be recognized as a snap instead of our actual person or our actual photo just as well. So in that way, you should be able to send in here a live snap of where you're in to a person without uploading a media. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.